Hi everyone, I'm Ivan Fokeev and I'm going to tell you how to host Webflow site for free using Netlify and my script. So first of all, let's clone the Git repository. Shell command is on the screen. Then we need to provide pages we want to download from Webflow. You can see in the script some CDN URLs. It forces the script to download JavaScript, CSS, videos, images, and everything else from your Webflow website. After providing some settings, we can run the command, type node download.js. It takes some time to download all the content, and after all we can try to serve it. Don't forget to install serve npm package globally before. Now we can see Webflow site works locally, all files are downloaded correctly. But Webflow still shows us its badge. Let's delete it from webflow.js script. We need to delete create badge function and start the server again. And the badge has gone. Everything works fine, so let's upload the website to netlify.com. We need to open deploys section, zip website folder from our script, and upload it using drag and drop to Netlify. Let's open our new deployment, and we see that everything works good. Finally, let's compare the site version before and the current one. Now we've made sure everything's okay. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and follow the engineering tutorials from Ivan Fokeev. Bye.